Hello friends, today we will be seeing reporting intelligence. So let's log in and start. So I've logged in. Here we go. As I mentioned you in the previous video, we will have menu here. We will have dashboard key, sales reports key, finance report key, and inventory report. So today we will see reports one by one. To understand sales report, one has to understand the sales performance during comparison between years. You can able to compare data of 5 years, quarterly sales. So even here you can able to understand quarter wise sales over the period of 5 years. This is your monthly sales, this is your weekly sales. Hence classically, as we understand sales, one has to understand weekly, monthly, quarterly and yearly, and that is exactly what we have represented here. Top 10 customer sales contribution will be depicted here. So if I go and select a month of say August, the entire report changes, and now you can see how I am performing in the current year and how I am performing in last year for the month of August. So this is my last year and this is my current year. It shows the comparative analytics of it. Let's go to sales by product. So if you wanted to understand which of your product is performing how in which geography, so this is the report what we have developed. This is geography based sales. You can have India if you are into an export business and you have customers throughout the world. You can have this data here as well. And if your accounting team is not putting entry correct, it will show in unallocated. The next style is sales by top 10 product category. So this is your Xbox, television, PlayStation, mobile, laptop and home appliances. So you can have your product category as such. Sales by product group and sales by product top 10 products. So entire slide is touch sensitive. If I wanted to understand just Xbox, I just go and click Xbox and everything regarding Xbox will be displayed here. Correct. I can go remove the filter from here. So this is your classic sales product report. Let's move on to the finance report. You will have receivable, payable and expenses, classic finance thing. Please keep in mind that in the previous video we have already discussed with CFO dashboard. So right now we are just discussing finance reports only. So this is your account receivable, geography wise account receivable, your aging wise account receivable. This is the entire list of your account receivables, your customers, and this is your sales versus account receivable. The next finance report is account payables. So this is your entire list of account payable. This is your entire purchase versus account payable, and this is your geography wise and your aging account payable. This is the dashboard developed for the expenses analysis basically. So here the tile indicate expenses, highest change indirect expenses, highest change in direct expenses. Lowest change direct expenses, quarterly expenses, expenses trend, expenses group and expenses subgroups. So every tile is touch sensitive here. I can add or remove graph simply by clicking. You can have the period of 5 years data here. If I wanted to just concentrate on quarter one what is happening, I can remove 2 of the quarter and then I can compare quarter one only. If I wanted to understand quarter 3 in comparison with quarter 1, I will have quarter 1 and quarter 3 only. So likewise you are able to compare. Obviously the dashboards are touch sensitive, so once you touch, it will go take you to that particular month or that particular group for that particular year. This is your finance report. Let's move on to the inventory reports. There are three types of report: purchase report, stock report, and purchase by period report. This is your purchase by top 10 product category, purchase by product group, purchase by top 10 products. Obviously the reports are touch sensitive. This is your stock analysis: stock by product category, stock by product group, and this is your top 10 product details. That includes quantity and value. This is your purchase by period, exactly yearly, quarterly, monthly, and weekly. So here you can understand the trend how you are purchasing over the period of time. Here by analyzing and understanding this trend, you can cut your cost basically. The next report is management, where you can manage users for your intelligence. Like if there are 3 directors and 2 C level executives, so you can accordingly manage their access to the intelligence. Thank you. See you in the next video where we will be dealing in detail how to read the dashboard, how to read the tile, and how the tile are touch sensitive, how you can have your account payable and receivable within a fraction of a second, at your fingertip basically. Thank you.